Sheikh Talal, just picking up on that point, clearly we have the digital divide where we have people who haven't got access to new technologies and new media. We have the education, lack of education. Even if they've got access to the technology, they might not have the education to be able to be useful or to use it. And then, of course, we have whose responsibility are these things? Because we can all talk all day and all night, but if politicians and regulators aren't doing their bit, then that divide and that lack of skill is going to continue.
Correct. Look, I think the industry, telecom specifically, have played a major role in influencing and bridging that digital gap, I have to say. And we, although maybe there are short memories when it comes to this industry because of regulation, etc., but during the 2 years, heavy 2 years of COVID, we've seen how the industry played a major role to provide tools, means, and way for the overall society, not only in terms of connectivity, but keeping economies, rolling and keeping society connected. And there were a number of initiatives that were focused specifically to help the health system, for example, because it was under crisis. Technology provided during that time have helped maintain a satisfactory level of service level within the health industry, as well as education. Education was continuous. We were able to provide many initiatives across the spectrum when it comes to education. So definitely the industry has played a major role in that. But is there a room for improvement? Globally, yes, definitely, there is. And I believe with technologies such as 5G, although it is a little bit demanding when it comes to energy, but it provides for tools and means to bridging those digital gaps, if you will. And also, some of these applications are used for sustainable projects. Not only with governments, but also with communities. You're talking about IoT or 5G, and you couple this with solutions that can make sustainable communities or cities. So there are many aspects in which we can play a role there.